Do you need to call lists of people for reminders, announcements, or warnings? Do you have to say the same thing over and over and over? Are you frustrated with how much time it takes to make all those calls? Well, look no further. We've got your solution. You can own an auto dialer that will automatically deliver your recorded messages to everyone you need to call. Our auto dialers are designed for religious organizations, schools, clubs, unions, teams, homeowners associations, doctors' offices, utility companies, political campaigns, military, and government agencies. There are just 3 steps to use one of our auto dialers. First, click on the list you want to call. Second, click on the recorded message you want everyone to hear. And third, set the timer when you want your auto dialer to start and stop calling. Sometimes you'll want everyone on your list to hear the same message. For example, a church may need to call all their members to remind them about a picnic, or a school might have to call all the parents to cancel classes due to bad weather. Or a homeowners association may need to alert everyone about a crime in the neighborhood. But then sometimes each person on your list needs to hear a message personalized for just him or her. A doctor's office is a good example. With our optional text-to-speech, each person called can hear such things as their name and their appointment, date, and time. When a call is automatically placed, the auto dialer listens to determine if a live person or an answering machine answers the call. It can then play a different message depending on how the call was answered. After someone answers a call and hears your message, that person can press a touch-tone key to repeat the message, confirm that they received the message, or transfer to speak to someone live. Depending on how many people you need to call and how quickly you need to call them, you can choose either one of our auto dialers. Our very inexpensive Tiger auto dialer is designed to make one call at a time and usually makes about 60 calls an hour. Our multiple-line Octopus auto dialer can make many more calls per hour, depending on how many phone lines you use. If you want to stop wasting time making repetitious calls, you need one of our auto dialers.